Think you know everything about the world? Think again. From space physics to underwater weirdos, these 10 facts sound fake, but they're totally true. Fact number 3 is so bizarre you'll have to pause and rewind. Let's jump into the top 10 mind-blowing facts you won't believe are actually real. Fact number 1, bananas are radioactive. Bananas, sweet, yellow, slightly radioactive? Yep, they contain potassium-40, a naturally radioactive isotope. But don't freak out. You'd have to eat over 10 million bananas in one sitting to get radiation sickness. Still, technically, they set off Geiger counters. So the next time someone tells you you're glowing, maybe it's just your breakfast. Fact number 2, you're taller in the morning. When you wake up, you're slightly taller than you were when you fell asleep. How? Because gravity compresses your spine during the day. At night, your spine decompresses like a stretched spring. The difference, up to ½ an inch in height. That's why you should schedule basketball tryouts before breakfast. Fact number 4, more trees than stars. Look up at the night sky. Stars everywhere, right? Well, turns out Earth wins. There are around 3 trillion trees on Earth, and only around 100 to 400 billion stars in the entire Milky Way galaxy. So yeah, trees are outnumbering stars by a landslide. Forest 1, space 0. Fact number 4, octopuses have 3 hearts. Octopuses are incredible. Not only do they solve puzzles and open jars, they also have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to their gills and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. But get this, when they swim, 1 heart actually stops beating. And their blood? It's blue because it uses copper, not iron, to carry oxygen. Basically, they're aquatic aliens. Fact number 5, a day on Venus is longer than its year. Here's a time warp for your brain. On Venus, 1 day is longer than its entire year. That's right. It takes Venus 243 Earth days to rotate once, but only 225 Earth days to orbit the Sun. Meaning, the Sun rises only twice a year if you're on Venus, which you're not, but still trippy. Fact number 6, cows have best friends. Cows may not seem emotional, but they totally are. Studies show that cows form strong social bonds. They have best friends. When separated from their buddy, their heart rate goes up, and they moo more often. Mood swings, am I right? Fact number 7, planet made of diamonds. Imagine a planet made of diamonds. It exists, or at least probably does. Meet 55 Cancri E, an exoplanet about twice the size of Earth, with a carbon-rich composition and intense heat and pressure. Translation, the crust may be solid diamond. Total estimated value? Around $26.9 non-alien dollars. That's 26.9, followed by 30 zeros. Fact number 8, turtles breathe through their butts. This next one's hilarious and true. Certain turtles can breathe through their butts. It's called cloacal respiration, and it helps them survive underwater for months. Nature basically gave them scuba gear in the weirdest possible location. Fact number 9, neutron star teaspoon. A single teaspoon of neutron star matter would weigh over 6 billion tons. That's the weight of nearly 900 Great Pyramids of Giza, compressed into 1 spoon. That's what happens when a massive star collapses into a dense core. Super heavy. Super awesome. Fact number 10, you shed enough skin for a suitcase. Here's a gross but cool fact. You shed about 8 pounds of skin every year. That's enough to fill a small suitcase. Dust in your home? Yeah, it's probably you. Congratulations. You're literally falling apart. Which fact blew your mind the most? Let us know in the comments. And if you love weird truths, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.